Good morning, children. Already we have completed the objective questions as well as short answers within the book, not out of the book, within the book. Now we have to go for chemical equations. The first one is not in the syllabus, that is the valency, no need to write that answer. Second one, write the chemical formula for the following. The compounds are given to you. First one is aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate. Actually, we have to write aluminium. What's the formula for aluminium? Al, and valency is what? 2. Aluminium sulfate, SO4. Sulfate, radical 3. So, aluminium sulfate. Al for aluminium, its valency is 2. Then sulfate, SO4, its valency is 3. Aluminium sulfate. While writing the chemical formula, we have to write the symbols of the chemicals with the valency. Clear? Next one is silver nitrate. Silver nitrate. Silver. Suppose if you are writing yes, no for the formula, we may get confusion. So, we are taking the chemical name, that is Latin name Ag, silver. Argentum, the Latin name is, so we are taking silver Ag, and nitrate NO3. The formula is together we have to write AgNO3. There should be no differentiation in this. Write like this: silver Ag, nitrate NO3. Clear? Sulfate SO4, nitrate NO3. Here we are. There is valency. There is no way. Silver valency may be 1, nitrate 3. Clear? And the third one, magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. You know, magnesium, what's the formula? Mg. Oxide, O. Magnesium oxide. Clear? The fourth one, barium chloride. Barium chloride. Barium, Ba, already boron and all the B. Adana Latin name we are taking up. We are taking the Latin name, first letter as well as second letter. We are taking 2 letters together. Barium chloride, Cl. Then valency is 2. BaCl2, barium chloride. Clear, children? Any doubts in this? Write the chemical formula for the following. And the third one, skeleton equations are there. We have to write the balancing equation. I am writing the heading short. Balance the equation. First one is carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Children, already I said, before the arrow mark, the elements indicates reactant. After the arrow mark, product. Carbon and oxygen, they react together and gives carbon dioxide. What's the formula for carbon? C. Oxygen, O2, and gives carbon dioxide. Next one. Phosphorus plus chlorine. Phosphorus plus chlorine. Phosphorus pentachloride. Here children, this is skeleton equation, carbon, oxygen, but both are balanced. Right hand should be equal, right hand side should be equal to left hand side. Here how many carbon atoms? 1. Here also 1 carbon atom. Oxygen 2, O2, 2 oxygen atom. So here also 2. So skeleton equation and balance equation both are same in the case of first one, and we have to go for second one. Phosphorus formula is P and chlorine is Cl, gives phosphorus pentachloride, that is PCl5. Chlorine 2, Cl2. This is pentachloride means what? 5. This is skeleton equation. That is phosphorus 2, phosphorus, chlorine, phosphorus, penta means what? 5. Now it is balanced? No. Here 1 phosphorus, there also 1 phosphorus. Here chlorine 2, here chlorine 5. So we have to balance the chlorine. Clear? So how to balance first? Suppose if you are writing, to make it a 5, you are writing 3 means 3 2s are 6 chlorine. There what is the 5 chlorine only. So no other go for this. We have to balance first. Here 5 2s are 10, 2p. So inge போட்டாலும் உங்களுக்கு equal ஆகாது. So we are making of 4 5s are 20. Phosphorus 4, we are writing P4. Okay. Here Cl2, we are making the chlorine into 3 போட்டிங்கன்னா 3 2s are 6, here 5, we cannot change here. So we are writing here P4 we are written, so here also we are writing 4. Okay. Then here, the first number, here we are writing number, no. This number is applicable, this 4 is applicable, phosphorus as well as chlorine. Phosphorus as well as chlorine. So how many phosphorus there? 4 phosphorus. Here 4 phosphorus. Then chlorine you have seen means 4 into 5, 20 chlorine. Children, can you follow? Already 5 is given. Then we are balancing by writing 4 there. 4 into 5. This 4 is applicable for phosphorus as well as chlorine. 4 5s are 20. Here how many there? 5 only chlorine. Then we are making 4 5s are 20. Here how many chlorines there? 2. To make it of 20, what we have to write? We have to write 10. Okay, first one is balanced equation. After that we are writing the skeleton equation, then balanced equation. Clear? Third one, sulfur plus oxygen gives sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. Di means what? 2. Here, sorry, I have to write the words. Afterwards only I have to give the formula. Clear? Sulfur plus oxygen, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur formula is 6, oxygen O2, sulfur dioxide SO2. Here how many sulfur? 1 sulfur. There also 1 sulfur. Oxygen 2, 2. So it is balanced equation as well as skeleton equation. Both are same only. In the case of 1 and 3, valence and chemical equations are same. But in the case of 2, I will write both the equations. Skeleton, then now we are making of normal. P plus C, sorry, P plus Cl2 gives PCl5. This is skeleton equation. Balanced equation, P4 plus 10Cl2 gives 4PCl5. This is balanced equation. We are writing this one, skeleton equation and balanced equation are same for the first one. Second one, this is skeleton equation. This is balanced equation. Here skeleton and balanced are both are same, and we have to go for fourth one. Fourth one is what? Magnesium plus hydrogen chloride gives magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Fourth one is, this is, we are writing words, magnesium plus hydrogen chloride gives magnesium chloride. Plus hydrogen. This is word equation. Then we are writing skeleton equation first. Magnesium Mg plus HCl gives MgCl plus hydrogen Cl2. This is not balanced equation, this is equation. We are writing like this. Now magnesium, one magnesium, here also one magnesium balanced. Okay. This is balanced equation. Then we'll go for hydrogen chloride. Here 2 chlorine is there, but here only 2 chlorine. So we have to write here hydrogen 2. So chlorine also 2, hydrogen also 2. To make it of common, we are writing here 2 HCl. Okay. Sorry, here gives magnesium chloride. Clear, children? Here magnesium, only one magnesium atom, here also one magnesium atom balanced. Here hydrogen chloride, how many hydrogen there? One hydrogen, one chlorine. But here 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen. Both are 2. So commonly we are taking 2 and 2 we have to paste in front of hydrogen chloride. That means 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine. Now it's balanced. Clear? Next one also balance the following equation only. There they asked you to write skeleton equation and balance equation. Here directly we have to go for balance equation. Question number 4th question. That is balance equation. Use skeleton equation and then balance equation. And then balance equation. Here directly we are going for balance equation. Now birds symbol itself given for you. I'll write here entirely all the 4. Sodium plus oxygen gives sodium oxide. Outlook, that is balanced, but valence you have taken means it's not balanced. So we have to write answer 4Na plus 2O2 gives 2NaO2. Four Na. How many sodium there? 4. So we are seeing the here 2 into 2, 4. 2 Na2O. 4 sodium, no, 2 into 2, 4 sodium. Oxygen 2 into 2, 4. Here also 2 into 2, 4. Sodium, this is balanced equation. Clear? Next one is calcium. You are not able to see, I think so. I'll write to you. Calcium plus sodium gives calcium nitrate. Sorry, sodium, no, nitrogen. N only, no. So N2, calcium nitrate. Ca3N2. It's given like this. Here it is not balanced. How many Ca there? 2, 3 Ca. So second one. This one is answer. Balanced answer. Ca plus NO2, here 3 Ca, so we have to write 3. N2, here Ca3, N2, no? Both are same only. Gives Ca3, N2. Here we have to balance only calcium. Clear? Third one, calcium you have balanced. Third one is nitrogen plus hydrogen gives ammonia. Here nitrogen 2, hydrogen 2, but here hydrogen is 3. So to make it of common we have to write. So nitrogen, then 3, no, 2 3s are 6. Number variably மாற்ற முடியாது. So 3 2s are 6 gives N, 2N is 3. Now say 2 nitrogen, 3 6 hydrogen, 2 3s are 6 hydrogen. Okay, and the fourth one is calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid gives calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus H2O, water. Now we have to see the balance. Calcium carbonate plus 2H, calcium carbonate, calcium chloride. How many chlorine there? 2 chlorine. So we have to change here 2 chlorine. I will write here. 2 chlorine. Inga 2 chlorine matringa. Then hydrogen will be balanced. Oxygen 2 plus 1, 3. So we have to see the answer. Calcium carbonate reduces into calcium carbonate reduces into calcium carbon dioxide. 2HCl gives calcium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. CO2 plus H2O. This is balanced. Oxygen 2. Here also 2, 4 plus 5, 5. Three oxygen. Here how many oxygen there? 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, it's balanced. And the last one. Copy down children as it is. Lead nitrate. Pb means what? Lead nitrate gives lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. The correct answer is 2PbNO3 2. Let we are changing up because we are writing 2 in front. Here also we have to change 2Pb oxygen, that is lead oxide plus 4 nitrogen oxide one oxygen. Altogether we are balancing means it will be verified. Okay.